Love your rug. We are the trusted in-home carpet and furniture cleaning team. We specialize in home carpet cleaning and restoration. Our trained and experienced technicians use the latest carpet cleaning technology to care for your home. Studies show that 99% of allergens trapped in the carpet can be eliminated with professional carpet cleaning. At Love Your Carpet, we use professional cleaning methods that ensure the removal of over 94% of common household allergens. Our highly skilled carpet cleaning and upholstery cleaning technicians will identify the type of carpet, fabric, and extent of cleaning required on site. Let our trusted team into your home to complete our 6-step cleaning process.
It's time to love your rug.